Sandra.
Hey, I'm Fred.
And together we make up 2/3 of the HayaTech team.
Brinc really is the essence of a true partnership. Coming in through this program, we will not be exiting as just another batch. We believe that we're looking to leverage off of the experience and partnerships and mentorships that we've been able to gain.
We've lived in Bahrain for a number of years and we really consider this place home. This is not only a wonderful place to launch our idea and make it real, but to give back to a country that has given us so much.
I believe that the quality that they've been able to build here as a centralized hub for IoT is a further testament of the effort and investment that Bahrain is making into the startup ecosystem.
Brinc has offered us a springboard through which we can really launch our business, and we're eternally grateful for that.